Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Denis bin Sabarudin.
My name is Aiman Kiki bin Iwan Sofian.
My name is Muhammad Fahmi Fan bin Ahmad Yunus.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal Darullah.
We are from DK Program.
3. In this video, we will introduce you about Institut Kemahiran Mara Jasin Melaka.
Okay, this is first entrance at IKM Jasin. We have 2 entrance and 1 entrance at back.
You should study here. This is because IKM Jasin have many programs. Right up.
Let me show you the reason why we must to continue studying at IKM Jasin. Let's go!
Hi guys, this is IKM Jasin Library.
At the IKM Jasin Research Center is not only used to read books, but it was found that there are also general study used by students to hold class.
This resource center has the same rules as other resource centers, among which it is forbidden to bring any food and drinks and bags.
Hi guys, this is IKM Jasin Hall. This hall is used for various activity or event. This hall is also large and suitable for IKM citizens.
Okay guys, this is place recreation for IKM citizen to build body or anything.
Okay guys, there is a cafe provided at IKM with many food options.
Hello guys, this is IKM Jasin Surau. This surau was built to make it easier for IKM residents to pray. Okay, that's all.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Denis and this Abang Jasin. Jasin. Today we need to one show about video promo IKM Jasin weekly. Okay, what reaction Abang Jasin about this video?
Okay, other than that, what do you think of our video in terms of lighting, business and sound?
In terms of lighting, transition and sound, everything is okay, clear, bright and easy to understand.
Okay, thank you.
For the last question, with this video we made, do you think we will be able to attract SPM graduate or similar to enter IKM?
Yeah, sure. I think there will be interest after seeing the video you all made because your video have many advantage and conveniences when they enter IKM.
Okay, thank you, Afi. The TVET program offered in IKM Jasin are automotive, mechanical and electrical. The mechanical program are certificate in welding technology, certificate in mechanical engineering technology, drafting design and diploma of engineering technology, industrial maintenance. Next, the electrical program is namely Certificate in Electrical Engineering Technology Power, Diploma of Competence in Electrical Distribution, Diploma of Competence in Electrical Industry, and Advanced Diploma of Competence in Electrical Generation.
Lastly, the automotive programs are the Certificate in Automotive Body Repair Technology, Diploma of Technology in Automotive Service, Diploma of Technology in Automotive Heavy Machinery.
Motive School is the biggest department in IKM Jasin. Let me introduce the Diploma of Commercial Technology Automotive. The duration of study is 3 years with industrial training. The requirement to study Diploma of Commercial Technology Automotive are a pass SPM with 2 honor in any subject. Other entry requirement are graduates of IKM who have passed engineering, technology certificate in a related field with a CGPA 2.0 or SKM graduate who passed the Malaysian Skills Certificate SKM Level 2 in a recognized related field or equivalent. The job prospect after studying is assistant engineer, technician in the public and private sector, and technical entrepreneur. That's all from us about what is in IKM Jasin.
If you want to know about IKM Jasin,
Or are interested in entering IKM Jasin,
you can visit the IKM Jasin website. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you.